So I'm going to explain that 10th class physics chapter 1. Finding the focal point. Finding the focal point. You know focal point and focal length. Already explained already in the previous video. Focal length of a given mirror. What is that? Focal length of a given. Finding the focal point means focal length of a given mirror means unknown. Okay, unknown focal length mirror. That is the unknown focal. Okay, length of focal mirror. So what is the aim? At AM, finding the focal length of mirror or focal point of mirror. Focal length of mirror or focal point of mirror. Okay, that is the aim. Coming to materials, what is the required materials? Concave mirror, V-shaped frame, source of light, that is a candle, and screen and scale. Okay, so observe your figure. What is that? Concave mirror. This is a concave mirror and V-shaped. Okay, source of light, that is a candle. Okay, and screen and scale. Okay, having that screen and scale, those require that. Okay, and applications. What is applications? Mirror and light should be same height. Okay, sorry, mirror and light should be same height. Mirror and light should be same height required. Okay, so mirror and light is same height, and while meaning take the accurate values means exactly values. You have to take exactly values means accurate values. Coming to procedure. Coming to what is the procedure? Arrange the concave mirror in V-shaped frame. Okay, see what is that? Arrange the concave mirror, this mirror, and which shape? V shape. We are having no V-shaped frame. This is the frame. Okay, arrange the candle in front of concave mirror at a certain distance. Okay, arrange the candle. This candle. Okay, in front of concave mirror. Okay, at a certain distance. Concave mirror at a certain distance, and measure the distance from frame to candle. Frame to candle we have to measure. Okay, frame to candle we have to measure. Place the screen to get a sharp image. Okay, place the what is the screen to get sharp image. Sharp image. This image we have to get, and measure the distance from the mirror to screen. Mirror to screen we have to measure the distance. Mirror to an image. Okay, and that is a mirror to screen. This is a screen, and this distance is called focal length. What is that? This distance is called focal length. Okay, focal length means that is already explained. That is here. Okay, curved. Okay, arc, that is the pole and the focal point, and then that is the center of curvature. We have to find between the pole to what is the focal length? We can focal point. We can say that is a focal length. We know previous video I explained already. Okay, what is the procedure? Arrange the concave mirror in V-shaped frame. Okay, this is a V-shaped frame. Arrange the concave mirror and arrange the candle. This candle we arrange in front of the concave mirror. Front of the concave mirror a certain distance. Certain distance we are arranging, and measure the distance from mirror to candle. Mirror to candle we have certain distance we have to measure, and place the screen to get sharp image. Place the in between what is that image we are getting, and then measure the distance from mirror to screen. Mirror to screen we have to measure the distance, and this distance is called what is that? This distance is called focal length or focal point. Okay, focal length or focal point. So clear. So what is required? AM is what is the focal length of mirror or focal point of mirror. Materials that is concave mirror, V-shaped frame of source of light, candle, and then screen and scale. And then application what? Mirror and light should be same height required, and well take the accurate values. When those are same height, then we can take exactly value, not okay. Any less or more mean should be correct value. And procedure or in the we know that procedure how to arranging. So we have to see here candle. This is the first one is candle. This is a candle and second one. What is that? Second one is table. Two is table. Okay, you can write like that. Okay, table. And third one is scale. This is the scale. Okay, third one is scale, and fourth one is screen. This is the what? This is the screen. Fourth one is screen, and fifth one is the fifth one. Fifth one what? V-shaped. Okay, frame. And okay, clear. Fifth one is V-shaped frame, and sixth one is mirror. Which mirror? Concave mirror. Okay. So you observe here. Again, once again, explain you. Very important is arrange the concave mirror in V-shaped frame. Okay, concave mirror we are arranging. Okay, and here what is that? V-shaped frame, and then arrange the candle in front of concave mirror. In front of concave mirror, we are arranging the candle at a certain distance between the concave mirror and candle. Some distance. Measure the distance from mirror to candle. Mirror to candle from here to here distance we have to measure. Place the screen to get this screen. This screen is for okay get the sharp image. Here we are okay exactly sharp image we observe. Place the measure the distance from the mirror to screen. Mirror to screen we have to measure the okay distance. And this distance is called what is that? Focal length or focal point. Okay, this distance is called focal length or focal point. Okay, clear procedure. And coming to okay observation. What is observation? In above activity, this activity okay when we observe that when we observe that from the mirror at a certain distance between the mirror and image okay certain distance we will get a shape image. This image we have to get it. Okay, this distance is called focal length. This distance is called focal length. Okay, right. So this is a you should write also whatever you have to copy compulsory, very easy. Okay, and I'm writing that final observation. Okay, AM materials applications procedure. After the procedure I'm writing here observation. Clear? Observation. What is the observation here? From the figure observation, in this activity we can observe that from the mirror okay from the mirror at a certain distance we will get sharp image, and this distance is called focal length. Okay, this distance is called focal length. You have to remember this distance. Okay, from the mirror to sharp image screen. Okay, mirror to screen or sharp image we can say that is a focal length. Clear? Observation. Clear? Okay, right. So the focal length very easy this. Okay, when you understanding whatever the okay activity is going on in that exam also very important this activity, right?